What's up, everyone? This is Simon from Simon W.Y. Huang, and today you're going to learn how to do an on-page SEO tutorial. So this is going to rank your clinic website really quickly, and I'm going to show you right now, right on my computer. So I know everybody who probably knows me by now. I'm Simon. My name is definitely common with the common stuff that says Simon says. But yeah, I'm basically trying to produce as many tutorials as possible to help you guys build a website, optimize your website, and help you get more patients into your clinic. So now I'm going to talk about how we can actually start an on-page SEO. So I'm going to share the screen right about now. Okay, there you go. So let me just move this one to my page. So what exactly is on-page SEO? Now, on-page SEO is basically you're trying to optimize your page. Well, simple as that. And Google is basically ranking your website according to which keyword are you trying to rank. Yesterday, I talked about how I can do a proper keyword research. So, for example, a lot of people are doing acupuncture. A lot of my clients are acupuncturists. Some are naturopaths, some are doctors, some are real estate agent. Basically, you do it properly. You do the keyword research properly, and you can do that very easily with SEMrush, SEMrush, and that particular tool can help you look at a lot of things. I don't know why it's not loading. It's probably because I'm doing a live show. So once you have gotten your proper keyword, then what you need to do is actually create a post, a blog post. And the blog post is the fastest way for us to rank our website. The reason being is that it is a dynamic content. It gets updated very frequently. Well, I mean, depending on how frequently you update your post. I don't usually update my posts usually after once per month because I don't have a lot of time. But what I try to do is to record a YouTube video at least weekly, if not like twice a week, if not like every single day. I'm trying to do that on YouTube and on Facebook. You can see from my YouTube channel how many videos I've done. I think, oh, it's still loading. I think total I have like, I don't know, 40 something, 50 something videos so far. And then let's see, yesterday we're talking about beginners keyword research guide for clinic owners. And the day before I said how to use sales funnel and Facebook guide to bring in more patients. You guys caught up. Okay, anyways, the more videos that I do, the better it is for you guys and for myself, because YouTube is actually #2 search engine in the world. And who owns YouTube? Google. And Google owns like literally freaking 70% or 80% of the search engine market now. And then that follows by the Bing, by Yahoo, by Yext, whatever. It's not. So you basically just have to go to Google and trying to rank your website. So we've done that. Okay, so I've done the keyword research. The keyword I try to rank is how to set up WordPress. Set up WordPress is a very competitive keyword. And the way to find out is to type it in on Google. WordPress, here it says 56 million results. Each volume per month is 2,400. And then cost per click is $2.07. So imagine if there's anything over here, any ad over here, you click on it, it costs you $2.07. So the whole point is, oh my God, Google just changed its algorithm again. There's a lot of different things. I think these are the ads. Now that I look at it, they don't look normal to me. I mean, normally we're not seeing a lot of proper stuff. See, they used to, when you have, how do I say this? When you type in a keyword, they usually have this. It's called a position 0, and it used to be all the way up here. And I think now these things are all ads, except they don't show us ad. What's just here? Ads by app. Can I click on that? Can I click on this? Oh my God, I was right. There's so much ad. Google just changes the algorithm like literally overnight. Anyways, that's not discouraging us. People aren't going to read about ad. They just being asked. Anyways, so my keyword was to how to set up a WordPress site, and so a lot of competition. So what I'm trying to do is rank this long tail keyword right here. How to set up WordPress site from scratch. Let's see this. Let's do a Google search for this. How to set up Google website, WordPress site from scratch. Let's see where I am right now. WP beginner, how to build from scratch with WordPress. It's so hard to compete with these guys. But if I'm able to do this, I'm gonna be very, very happy. Because like that is the way to do it. You know, like this keyword I'm searching is like extremely hard to do because every single website developer basically has this, and I'm still not finding it anywhere from any. That's okay. Today I'm just gonna teach you how you can rank your keyword. So let's go into the back end. No, not yet. Let's check out the post first. So as you can see, the post is written a lot of words, plus a lot of images. So first and foremost, I want you to notice is that my keyword is set up WordPress. That's my keyword. Now it's shown in the beginning of the paragraph, and this first paragraph to be exact. I'm probably gonna delete this, but if you put your keyword in the first paragraph, you easily you let other people see it more easily. Okay, and then let's see, we have a video. This is the YouTube video that I have recorded. You can see it from here. I basically just embed the YouTube video right onto my blog post. This also has the same keyword, WordPress tutorial 2018. So like that's another keyword I rank for. And then as you can see, there's more and more keyword. I'm changing this post so that it can create more proper listings. So like this is a step-by-step guide of how to set up a WordPress website. So I'm just adding like different numbers of steps in there, and then I'm gonna change the whole thing. Then you can see there's a bunch of images, bunch of images. How to set up hosting for WordPress. These are all like relative keyword to it. And you have an image, and you have this keyword in there. That's the way you can rank your host. So once you have done this, you can actually go back to the back end. So I'm going to show you how you can get to that. So let's click on Edit Post if you're on WordPress. So you can see that the title is what you saw, Ultimate Guide How to Set Up WordPress Website. I use this one because people are going to get more interested in reading this title. You gotta have an interesting title. That's one of the first things. Then you gotta make sure that you flow down all the way down first, because you need to see this. This is called Yoast Seo plugin. Okay, so this particular thing is very important. You wanna make sure that you put up your keyword in there right at this section here. So focus keyword is this one, and you would be putting in the SEO title and the slot, which is the URL right here. You can see that, and then in the meta description. So basically, you want to put it in the front as further ahead as possible. And this Yoast plugin is very useful in a way because it shows you what your problem is. It says doesn't appear in the first paragraph. It's probably because of that post is updated in 2018. This improvement images does not have alt attribute containing the focus keyword. That is weird. I think everything has it. SEO title contains the focus keyword does not appear at the beginning. Try to move it to the beginning. Okay, I thought I did. The 5 essential steps. Okay, Okay, let's try changing that. Set up WordPress website. Okay, let me take this out. Absolutely. 5 essential steps. How's that? Okay, now that's gone. Image and slug contain the stop word. Okay, I can't change that unless I change this whole keyword. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so the good is basically the measure of whether or not your website is gonna rank. Keyword density is 0.6%. So found 8 times. Meta description has focus keyword. Meta description has a nice link. Focus keyword appears in 1 subheading out of 13 in your copy. Text contains 1430. Minimum to rank, it says here, is 300 words. Yoast plugin is so useful. It basically is the best SEO plugin. I highly recommend you to install that plugin. This page has 0 no-follow outbound links and 10 normal outbound links. So I try to link out as much as possible. No-follow internal link. SEO title contains focus keyword at the beginning, which is considered to improve. SEO title has a nice link. Focus keyword appeared in a URL. You never used this keyword before. Great. So once you have done that, you check the readability again. It says here there's improvement. 26% of the sentences contain more than 20 words, which is more than recommended of 25% to shorten the sentence. Okay. We can highlight these things. There's passive voice. Okay, so more counter. So basically, when you're writing this, when you're writing a blog post, you're trying to write it so that a 5-year-old can understand. And that's the best way to rank. So that I understand. Once you have done that, well, okay, where I will be teaching you how to install my premium WordPress website. Wow, this is like Word, but it's pretty awesome. 20 words, passive voice. Oh boy, even though I don't like to write in essays, I think I still have to. Is 2017. It's fairly clearly coded. All that. Okay, it's still too much. Okay, so basically you're just like trying to edit your own word. That's pretty simple, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to change this. So once I've done the setup properly, SEO title and everything, make sure that you go to the social and you change the Facebook title, also the Twitter title. Whenever you're sharing this post to other channels, you want to make sure that you're giving it in the same one as your article's title and description. Okay, that's very, very important. And what else is there? There's also events, canonical, should point to default. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So that's that. Let's try to update that. Okay, let it load. Great. So you can see this is the backend. You basically just type it in. So when they mentioned that you need to include your keyword in the subheading, this is called a subheading. It's heading 3. There's also heading 2. Where is that? I need to find it. Basically, when you're doing something like this is time consuming. Oh, there you go. This should be subheading, right? Okay, well, that's that. Let's go back and view post. Leave, don't worry. Okay, so now it's, oh, that's right. I forgot to delete that. I think, there you go. Yeah, this process, I'm doing it live right now. So like this process usually gets like done in the back end. So, okay, so that is that. So this is on-page SEO. You basically, let's recap. You basically want to put in your SEO title, which you can see that over here. Set up WordPress website for absolute beginner, 5 essential steps. You want to put that in the meta description, which is shown over here, right here. Set up WordPress website, you get your domain hosting, and wait, I thought I changed this one. Oh, Jesus Christ. I remember I changed this one, but oh. Anyways, so what? The alt attribute? Okay, I need to change all my alt attribute. So let's go in and change the alt attribute. This one has it. This one has it. Well, sometimes it has bugs, so don't worry about that one. So we got the SEO title in the focus keyword on the SEO title. Scroll all the way down. SEO title, set up WordPress website. In the URL, set up WordPress. Meta description to set up WordPress. And that is the basic on-page SEO. Then you want to make sure that all your images has alt attribute and the file name to be exactly the same as your keyword, as your title, your SEO title. Also, you want to include the YouTube video because you want to make sure that you're using YouTube to rank your video and then to rank your your article, your blog post. Now that's the basic of on-page SEO. Now, in order for your whole website to link, you want to make sure that you include your homepage in somewhere in here. Let me see where I can find that. Somewhere in here. Next article, how to design. So this is inbound link. This goes to my other stuff, other post. But read on to my PS2. Okay, let's add it in the PS2. PPS. Okay. Feel free to take a SEO audit if my website's home page, simon.com, and then you link with this, hyperlink it, and you do this. Okay, and that's done, and update that. So this is called inbound link. This is how, if your website, your post is ranking on Google with this particular keyword, if I were to search this, I'm not even there. Holy crap. This is how many people are doing this. Well, so much ad. If you're able to like rank your website, rank your blog post on Google, then you can get the link juice basically and send it back to other pages of your website. I basically add it into the home page as well. I think that's all the on-page SEO. I included outbound links, so like WordPress websites link, hosting company, themes and plugins, and private Facebook group. These are all outbound links. Goes to other website, and then you're gonna make sure that's off-page SEO. I'm not gonna talk about it right now, but I must be missing something, and I just totally slipped out of my mind. Okay, so I got the SEO. Okay. Yeah, well, I think that's all I remembered. Oh, yes, there's one more thing. in order to do in order to like index like the update I did, you gotta actually go into Search Console. So go to Google Search Console, and then go in there, and then go into my site, which is this one, and then okay, fine, that's fine. I just need to get there. Just let me get in there. I have it over here. Okay, Google Search Console. Oh, late is 13 messages. New index coverage issues. By new in the redirect error. Okay. So there's something over here that I need to fix. 2 pages, purchase history, redirect. Huh. I think it's fixed. So Google Search Console is very, very useful. You need to basically use this to do a lot of things. Anyways, let's go back to here. You need to index that page. So I need to go into my page. So you go into Google Search Console. I'm gonna talk about how to install that in the later episodes. Go into Google Index and then crawl. Okay, crawl. Fetch as Google. There you go. And then I need this link. Render. Okay, so it's pending. So basically what you're doing right now is to make sure that Google is indexing and this particular page, because like anytime you make some changes, you want to make sure you do that. And it's loading really slowly. I'm just gonna close a lot of things. Close it. Close it. It's still pending request. Okay, well, it's been redirected. Why? Are you kidding me? Anyways, you just make sure you don't miss even a /. That is ridiculous. Anyways, that's it. Once you have done that, you're pretty much done. So let's go back to here and stop sharing the screen and go back to my face. There you go. I know it took forever. Today, the live video took, I think, over 20 minutes now. It's basically, doing SEO is very time consuming. If you have a few hours per day that you're free to do so yourself, if not, hire someone like me. I basically help a lot of clients like you guys to go through this SEO process. It's tedious. I had to go through auditing first. I had to do every single pages. And every time I give you guys a title, you guys have to write an article. After writing an article, I had to fix it. I had to make sure the SEO title or SEO keywords are on the right spot, etc., etc. So don't worry, I got it all covered for you. So there you have it. This is the on-page SEO tutorial 2018 beginner guide. Rank your clinic website quickly. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe the channel right down here. And if you want to get notified in the future, any new video that comes up basically almost every single day, click that notification bell button right down there. Click on that and you will get notified. And thank you guys very much for watching. If you want to know more about SEO, you can take my free course, which is the free website optimization class. Get it at simonwhuang.com/free-class. You will not want to miss it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.